So I just washed my hair and honestly I think I screwed up because hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel girl, and I hope you watched my last video with regards to the facial. So today's video I'm gonna jump right in, and I know you can see my halat right now. It is bad, but it is because I'm going to do something pretty exciting. So just a little flashback. So I've been doing my own hair color for almost the past 10 years now, and I really enjoy doing this. So today I got my hands on this very special product. Special because I'm trying it for the first time and I'm pretty excited about it. So the product I'm using is basically Paradyes, and it's the color Ruby Wine, and I'm pretty excited about this. So yes, let's just try this. So honestly, this actually came with a lot of different goodies. Like, it's got goodies in the sense like a lot of stuff. So it's like a blonder and like a shampoo and a conditioner and the actual hair color. They're even giving me a brush, which is pretty cool. I already have my own, but yeah, and like the glove, and they've also given this super cool like some stickers. I think as I was young I would have enjoyed it. I'm not so sure as an adult how much I enjoy this, but yeah, I think that's like super cool. So let's dive in. Okay, so honestly I already have pretty like light hair because of my previous hair color. They have given a blonder, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to like focus more towards the end and not so much on the roots. So yeah, let's see how this goes. So I'm going to try to keep the length like of the blonder. I'm trying to keep it same. I don't know how successful I am at that, but I'm just like trying. I really enjoy experimenting with my hair, which is probably one of the reasons why it's so shabby a lot of times lately. My hair is as dry like the Sahara Desert. That's how dry it is. I'm applying it so badly for someone who's been applying hair color for a long time. But it's just super dry. Like, normally I'm very used to doing it with that is something more liquidy. This is more like it's super powdery. So yeah, it's just super powdery right now. Honestly, I don't know how much of a difference this is going to make on my hair, the blonder, because of my already prominent. But what I'm trying to create is like kind of like an ombre effect in my head. That is what I'm looking. So like it's darker towards the root, and then as we go down, it tends to be lighter. Okay, I think I've almost fought everything. I'm just gonna like put this on wherever. And I'm gonna leave this on for like, so normally it says you can leave it on for 45 to 60 minutes, but that's for somebody who really wants to like get it super bright. I think I'm gonna leave it on for 25 to 30 minutes and see the results. So I'll be back with my hair washed. So I just washed my hair, and honestly I think I screwed up because I really messed up. I shouldn't have used the blonder on my hair actually, since my hair was already pre-lightened as it was. So yeah, I really messed up big time, but yeah, I'm gonna see, like, I'm not losing hope. I have hope in the color still and hope in how it's going to turn on. So let's just go with it at this point. So we are right now going on to step 2. So I've worn my gloves. So they actually give you 2 sets of gloves. And so I've put out the new ones, and this is the step 2. So this is basically the hair color. And honestly, I just feel it's like a pretty small jar for my entire hair. Even though I do not have super long hair, but you just gotta go with it. So I'm gonna use it really sparingly. Like, I'm gonna start from below, and then I'm gonna keep like a lot for my top, because I really want the color to show more on the top than the below. This reminds me of like ice cream that you like lick off from that 10 rupees Amul ice cream that you take off the cap and like you start licking it. Reminds me of that, I don't know why. Now this is pretty thick, okay? Like in comparison to the, I know, like formulas are just not something I am normally used to. I just hope the color stays. I'm applying this closer to the roots because I do have some grey hair, so I'm hopefully guessing it should give me that coverage. I'm not sure if it will, but that's what I'm hoping for. The Indian in me wants to do this, so I am doing that. So I will see you after 60 minutes, and let's pray this works, because I really screwed my hair with the blonding part. I'm a little scared now. Pray for me. Hey guys, so I finally washed my hair. I just want some lipstick so I don't look too bland. And this is how the hair color has turned out. Honestly, I was expecting it to be a little more wine, but I realized it's not more wine because the product was very less. Like, had there been more color in the jar, I think it would have worked better for me, but nonetheless, this is the color. And I hope you enjoyed this short video, and I will see you next time. Bye!